Alam procession was taken out on the 9th of Muharram, and prayers were offered for the well-being of the nation and the community. Majaram, Nanded, upholding a centuries-old tradition, the procession of Alam-e-Fatima was taken out in Majaram village, Nanded district, on the 9th of Muharram. Sufi Sheikh Khadir Qadri Sahab Panjatani Mauli, the Maharashtra state president of the Sufi Khanka Association, attended the event and prayed for the safety and prosperity of the country and the community. In Majaram village, Hindus and Muslims come together to take out the Alam-e-Pak procession on the 9th of Muharram, during which mankabats, devotional poems, marsiyas, elegies, and nohas, laments, are recited in honor of the martyrs of Karbala. Continuing this age-old custom, the procession was organized again this year, conveying a message of mutual love and brotherhood. Sufi Sheikh Khadir Qadri Sahab participated in the procession, recited mankabats, and urged everyone to maintain this tradition with the same spirit of mutual affection. Notable participants in the Alam-e-Pak procession included Pier Sahab, son of Kali Sahab Majaram; Ismail, son of Pier Sahab Majaram; Raje Sahab, son of Kali Sahab Majaram; Khudbadan Moman Majaramkar, Latur; Ahmad Sahab Khudbadan Majaramkar, Latur; Rehan Majaram; Aisa, son of Raje Sahab Majaram; Menu Sahab, Hotel Wala, Majaram; Syed Hafiz, Bashir Majaram; Pasha Bhai Majaram; Amin Sahab Majaram; Ghaus Wahab Sahab Majaram; Mansoor Sheikh, Mansoor Nawaz, Muazzin, Raymond Sahab Sheikh, Makdam Sheikh, Sheikh Chand, Nabi Sahab, Muazzin, and Mohiuddin Bhai, Latur, alongside a large number of Hindu and Muslim brothers.